Hi everybody, I'm doing a quick opening. I ordered this stuff off of a new UK site. It's called Mademe, and it especially caters for people who are doing craft in the UK. So I wanted to test them out to see what the shipping is and so on alike, and what sort of shops that they had on there. So this is some ephemera that I've got for junk journaling. I like the little packaging, really cute. I paid $4.99 for this. So let's see what we have in here. Once I open my own shop, I'm looking for where I'm going to sell my stuff. So maybe Mademe. Oh, these are so cute. So I got a little tape measure washi tape, little cutout butterflies. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god. A little wheel. Really cute. Some string. Nice little things for junk journaling. Some stickers. No one can give you what you want but yourself. So true. Oh, look at this little piece of newspaper. Oh my god, that is so cute. Some timepieces. Some luggage. You get really a lot of stuff for $4.99. Lots of lovely little junk journaling ephemera. Really cute. I love this. Oh my word. I can't wait to do some journaling with this. Some of these tags. I actually have these tags. I used them when I was doing my stocking fillers. But really nice. Some more newspaper. These are so adorable. Oh my god, I just love them. So yeah, I'm going to review this on Facebook as well, because it was on Facebook that I saw this company being advertised, Mademe. I signed up and then I went on there to see what sort of journaling supplies I can get. And I do like this supplier. I'm following her, so I will most likely be placing a second order from her, because I do love my junk journaling. And these boots were made for walking. Da, 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 da. Really, really nice ephemera. You can do so much with all of these little things. Am I holding that upright? Yeah. Private life is a happy life. That is so true. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Look at this. I like the thinness of this paper. It's going to be very easy to use in journaling. Oh, you get even some frames. Wow. This is really a good purchase. For $4.99, you can't go wrong, ladies. Jump in there and see what you can get. Look at all the paper. Look at that. I'll just quickly go through them so that you can see. Yep. You've sold me. I like everything that I have gotten. So that's one. I'm going to open the other one now. Okay, so this is the other item that I got from Mademe, and it's a UK site. I guess they say it's the UK Etsy shop. They really take this in very well. And this is a journal book that I got that I thought I would like. They didn't show you much of the inside of the journal. So I like this little box because I can use this box for stickers. And it comes with a little card. Thank you for your order. Paper Smiles, handmade crafts. So I'll keep this. And nicely boxed. The story of my life. So this is the planner. Well, not planner, it's more of a journal where, oh, you get this really cute pen holder. So you can put your pen. Nice pen. Let's see how it writes. Oh, I like it. It writes very nice. Okay, so let's see the actual journal. I like the cover. I love the delicate flowers and yeah, the story of my life. Or maybe, boy, do I have a story to tell. So it's just really like a notebook that you can write your thoughts in, but I'll do something with it. I don't know yet what I will do or what I will use it for, but I'll definitely find something to put in here. And that's made me. Thank you very much for my for fulfilling my orders. I'm very happy with my purchases. This book as well was only $4.99, so it's worth the pennies, believe me. I've seen journals that are so expensive, and this is quite nice. The quality of the paper as well I like because it's quite thick. I don't know what GSM it is. And it doesn't say, but it feels quite thick, so I think, you know, it would be very nice. I can do some lovely, you know, junk journaling in here with bits of my story. So many ideas are popping into my head at the moment, but we'll see what happens and what I've used it for in the new year. I have another journal that is coming. It's a Gothic one. I think it's a planner. So I have quite a few books I haven't used. I'm stocking up on journals now, and I have quite a few that I haven't even began to use yet, So I guess I better get cracking and start using them so that I can get more. Okay, my lovelies, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of my packages from Mademe.
I hope you enjoyed my journaling. Thanks for watching.